Introducing the Tru-Weld TW6900 Stud Welder, a fully integrated American-made 3000 amp single gun stud welding system. With its enhanced duty cycle and ProTech technology, this stud welder is designed to perform for the most challenging job, even through deck. The power of this machine makes welding a large range of studs easy, from 1/4 inch to 1 1/4 inch. This stud welder is the upgraded system you didn't know you needed. Included in this complete package is a TW6900 power supply, a TWE17000 HD stud gun, and all your required cables. We also carry the TW6902 dual gun system. Its enhanced duty cycle makes it excellent in production environments, and Tru-Weld's new ProTech technology makes sure your gun circuitry is protected. It has an improved user interface, allowing for a more intuitive setup with digital controls for both time and current. It comes equipped with new factory and customizable presets and has improved weld control. The TW6900 makes welding a breeze, with its smooth arc curve allowing for a wide range of welding and powerful output for even the largest diameter jobs. Stepless time and current controls allow for infinite settings for fine-tuning your welding output. It comes equipped with a safety welding interlock, preventing the system from double triggering, saving on chuck wear. It even has a stud counter, which can be reset per job so you never lose count while working. The power switch for the TW6900 is located on the right front of the welder's control panel. When the welder is turned on, the digital display will go through a self-diagnostic check. This takes approximately 3 to 5 seconds, and then the digital display will show the last time and current setting. Once the time and current is displayed, the unit is ready to weld. When connected to the welder, the stud gun will actuate 3 times, indicating that there is a good connection. One of the really handy features of this machine is the supervisor lock, which locks the machine so changes cannot be made to the weld settings. Then we have the brightness switch. The LED brightness can be set to indoor or outdoor brightness levels. There are the time and current buttons, along with the digital display that displays weld settings, machine presets, and weld counters. The diagnostic LED is used to determine any issues with the cables or machine. The fine and coarse switch can be selected to adjust time or current by tenths or 1/100ths. Menu options shows which menu the machine is displaying. The adjustment dial is used to toggle between menus or adjust the time and current. There are many benefits to using a stud welder in comparison to other welding methods for attaching fasteners. Don't miss the opportunity to get the job done right and quickly the first time with the Tru-Weld TW6900 Stud Welder. For more information, please visit our website at readyarc.com or give us a call.